Dreaming of studying in the US but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process of applying to universities in the US. Let's make your dream a reality. First things first, research. The US has thousands of universities, so it's important to find the ones that match your academic goals, budget, and lifestyle. Use ranking sites like QS World Rankings, Times Higher Education, and university websites to explore your options. Make a list of 12 universities categorized into Dream, Target, and Safe schools. Each university has different requirements, but most will ask for high school transcripts, GPA, standardized test scores, SAT ACT, optional in some schools, English proficiency test, TOEFL IELTS, letters of recommendation, personal statement or essay, extracurricular activities and achievements. Pro tip: some universities are now test optional, meaning SAT ACT scores are not required. Check the admission policies of your selected schools. If your university requires SAT, ACT, TOEFL, or IELTS scores, start preparing at least 6 months in advance. Register for these tests on time and take practice exams regularly. Some recommended resources include Khan Academy for SAT, Princeton Review, and Kaplan for ACT, and ETS for TOEFL. Important: many universities also accept Duolingo English Test as an alternative to TOEFL IELTS. Your personal statement is your chance to stand out. The Common App essay allows you to tell your unique story, what drives you, your passions, and why you're a great fit for your chosen university. Avoid cliches, be authentic, and show your personality. Most U.S. universities require 3 recommendation letters from teachers, counselors, or mentors. Choose people who know you well and can highlight your strengths beyond your grades. Pro tip: give your recommenders at least 1-2 months notice and provide them with key points about your achievements. Once your documents are ready, it's time to apply. Most U.S. universities use the Common Application, while others use Coalition App or their own portals. Double-check deadlines. Most early applications are due in November, while regular deadlines fall in January-February. Studying in the U.S. is expensive, but don't worry. There are scholarships and financial aid options available. Apply for need-based aid through FAFSA and International Student Aid via the CSS profile. Many universities also offer merit-based scholarships. Some universities conduct interviews to assess your fit. Prepare for common questions like, why do you want to study here? What are your future career goals? Tell me about a challenge you faced. Pro tip: practice with a friend or record yourself answering questions. After submitting your applications, track your portal for any updates. Decision letters are usually released in March-April. If waitlisted, send a letter of continued interest to the admissions office. Once accepted, confirm your seat and apply for your F1 student visa. Schedule a visa interview at your nearest U.S. embassy and prepare documents like Form 120, SEVIS fee receipt, and proof of finances. And that's it. You're on your way to studying in the U.S. Stay organized, stay proactive, and don't forget to enjoy the process. For a complete step-by-step guide, grab your copy of the Complete Handbook for Applying to Top Universities in the US and UK at hornbillpublications.com/ultimate guide or Amazon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more university application tips.